Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the Technical Analysis YouTube channel. It has been a while since I've covered the stock Nvidia, NVDA, and it seems that Nvidia is hitting back to the all-time highs. Today is the 3rd of July 2025, and we have seen as we zoom out the charts, Nvidia has a steep increase to the price of 159.7 as of now, and in fact today intraday high it hit 160.76. So this is a new boundary, new territory for Nvidia stock ever since the recent lows that happened on um, over here during the Liberation Day Trump's tariffs. It hit as low as $90, but then after that it staged a huge rebound up all the way, huge bullish action all the way from 90 over all the way to 160 today. So today is a new all-time high, and we can see even for the Bollinger Bands, it went up ever since the start of May. It was just way above the moving averages and trading close to the upper standard deviation of the Bollinger Band all the way until today. So we only have a slight touch over here on the 23rd of June, almost touching the 20-day moving average at this price of about 142. Then it have a massive run up, and 2 days ago we had a slight retracement back to the 151 level before moving up again. And today we hit a new all-time high. So I do have shares of Nvidia. Previously I shared that my average is about 130, and ever since it went up to 143 and 145 region, that is where I sold most of my Nvidia shares. I'm down to only 35 Nvidia shares right now. Perhaps I've sold it too early because I was expecting Nvidia to have a retracement, but it turns out that it went up really fast and I couldn't catch the timing. But it's fine. I still have 35 shares of Nvidia. Over here, I also thought that we could have a false top situation because you can see the previous all-time high was also at around 1.5 plus, and then we had a huge red candle down. So over here at 154, I thought that there will be a false top situation, probably a bull trap. And usually when you see a bullish markup bar like this, usually the next day you will have a red bar down as a form of correction. We did had a red bar the next day, but it was open. The price opening was way higher than the closing price. So even though it's a red bar, it's still closed at 154, which is similar to the price action the day before. The only substantial retracement that we had is at the 1st of July 2025, which is 2 days ago. Price opened at 156 and dropped to close at about 153. So that's a $3 down. From here to here, $3 down. But then after that, it soon recovered very quickly. So whether this is a bull trap or not still remains to be seen. I personally feel that we shouldn't be too euphoric. Given the huge run up, we should be prepared for the price to go down over the next few days, especially for next week, where I expect a huge volatility ahead due to the deadline for the tariffs pause extension. We do not know what will happen on 7th July, and it's always good to have some cash set aside. That being said, if you're invested in Nvidia, do not be in a rush to sell off. You may trim some to take some profits off the table, but do also consider leaving some on the table in case it just run up and break to the 170 level, which is also, uh, there's a possibility of that as well, even though it's low. All right, so that's pretty much what I have for today. Just end off the video with a zoom out chart of Nvidia to show you guys the huge um, price run up ever since April to July. So within the span of 3 months, you have a very huge run up. All right. So yeah, that's all I have to cover for today. Uh, I hope to see you guys in the next video, and always remember that whatever I share here is not financial advice. Always exercise your own due diligence and research before engaging markets.